here comes Guy Wood in Bulldozer. Guy Wood out of Blackwell, Missouri. Chevrolet.
Guy's an outstanding driver. Of course, this is the truck that Tom Minst was involved in and drove before Goldberg took it. And look at the donut right off the bat.
Guy Wood's been doing this for 13 seasons. Former mud racer.
Clock's at 40 seconds to go.
Getting some nice air over the crush cars. Trying to keep that momentum going.
Slid her right in there. It's reversed to get that sky wheelie effect, and he'll come down with 16 seconds. Trying, I thought he could try for another donut. Now he just fishtails her around. And he'll come flying through one more time. Another sign bites the dust. Hang on, hang on. Safe. Now, how do you slide it into that tight a gap with a huge monster truck like that?
Guy Wood gets a nice hand. I'm not sure it's going to be enough to overtake our leader, which is the NWO truck at 37. There's our scores. Remember, we're throwing out high and low, so throw out a 7, throw out a 6.
So you're looking at 26 will be the scores. The third 26 we've had. So the scores are staying pretty consistent. And in all honesty, those were probably all fairly equally rated for different reasons. So 26 for the Bulldozer.